All right.
Don't even swing it over. Just pull.
Squeeze. Hang on with your legs.
I have a back.
Come on, Grant.
Don't.
Just fucking hang on. Just hang on. Just hang on. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Kick him. Spur him. Don't say that. Spur him. Spur him, bud. Yay. Shut the gate. He ain't doing nothing now. He ain't gonna do anything anymore. Spur him. Spur him. Spur him. He's gonna crack and just whip him up over the front.
I'm getting out of here.
All right. Yeah, got a little hop in him. He's over there in the corner. The halter's gonna slide right off his face and smoke you. Hey, don't pull it so tight on his head, because then you don't want to go.
Give her her head. She'll get going.
Him. Just slap him on the butt. He's gonna crack when you're doing that, and you're gonna get whipped right in the freaking fence. Ride him into the chute. Ride him down the turnback fence. He's gonna rear up and kick you right in the... I'm hot! I'm hot! Take the limits off. Keep whipping him back and forth there. The halter's gonna come right off his head. All right.